Starting with topic 1, NumPy array. How to create a 1D array? So for that we have to write mp.array and we have to pass a single list in it. This will create a NumPy array and this is d type. D type equal to, d type stands for data type. So 1 2 3 4 is of data type int. So array 1D array is created and I have printed it. So you can see 1 2 3 4 is an array. For float type you have to write d type equal to float, then it will create an array of float data types. Now how to make 2D array? For 2D array you have to pass a list. So this is outer list and in that I have passed two lists, 1 2 3 4 and second is 5 6 7 8. So this is array of 2 row and 4 columns. For 3D array same, you have to pass more than one 2D arrays in a list. So it will create 3D array. So you can see this is 3D array with 2 frames, 2 rows and 3 columns. So you can see here. Now basics of NumPy. We declare a single 1D array of data type equal to int 1 2 3. With you can also initialize your array with float values, as you can see here 1.23, 23.45 and so on. If any one value is of float type, then int will be typecasted to float value. So you can see 5 is now a float value. As you all know that complex is also data type in Python. So you can initialize your array with complex numbers. So 1 plus 5j, 2j, 3, this is are all complex number. By default it is of float. Every imaginary and real number are of float type. Now shape, size, dimension. So this is a 2D array of 2 row and 4 column. A.shape. Shape will return its construction, that is how many row and column. So here it is returning 2, 4. That means the array A has 2 rows and 4 columns. A.size. What this size will return? Size will return total number of elements. So array A has total 8 elements. So 8 is written. Ndim. Ndim stands for n dimension. So what is the dimension of this array? So A.ndim will return dimension of the array. So array A is of 2 dimensions. So answer is 2. Item size means size of single element in bytes. So here my each element is of 8 bytes. This is d type. D type is int 64. That means int data type with each character of 64 bits, that is 8 bytes. What is A.n byte? N bytes will return total size of array. So total size of array is total number of elements into its size. So our 8 elements are there and each size is 8. So answer is 64. Length attribute. Length will return how much is the length of particular row or a column. So length of A of 0. So first row contains 4 elements. So answer of length of A0 is 4. And type. So all array in NumPy are of ND array. So type of A is NumPy.ND array.